The entire structure is divided into three parts. The first structure is known as dendrites or dendron. The second is the perikaryon or also known as the cyton, and the third part is the axon. So सबसे पहले समझते हैं cyton or perikaryon because it is the centermost structure. Cyton or perikaryon is that part which contains the nucleus. Along with it, it also contains other organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, and एक नया नाम which is also an organelle called Nissl granule. These granules are present in the cytoplasm and they perform the function of protein synthesis for the cell. इसी cyton से जब branches निकलते हैं उन branches को बोला जाता है dendron, and these dendrons branch further into structures which are called dendrites. The function of dendrites and dendron is to receive information from the environment or from the nearby neurons and to pass that information to the cyton. So basically they pass information towards the cyton. Now from cyton this information is taken away by a structure which is known as the axon. It is a tail-like structure. जैसे आपने देखा dendrons or dendrites, there are multiple. Axon हमेशा एक neuron में there is only one axon. Now this axon goes down and branches into structures which are known as axon endings, and last में at the axon ending there are certain bulbous structure, bulb की तरह होता है जिन्हें कहा जाता है synaptic knob. So the axon is one, it branches into axon endings and these axon endings finally end up into synaptic knob. अब जरा axon को समझते हैं. Axon has certain specific cells which are attached to them. These cells are called Schwann cells. मैंने इसी Schwann cell का nucleus यहाँ label किया है. You know these cells are very important for the neuron. Why? Because in some neurons they produce a layer of fat above the axon. इस layer of fat को कहा जाता है myelin sheath. Membrane of the cell is known as neurolemma. So अगर आप ध्यान से देखिए you will see this myelin sheath is not continuous. बीच-बीच में interruption है. Those interruptions are called node of Ranvier. Myelin sheath का purpose क्या है? क्या सारे neurons के ऊपर myelin sheath होते हैं? No. There are certain neurons which have myelin sheath. They are called myelinated neurons. अगर नहीं है तो हम उन्हें non-myelinated neurons कहते हैं. Is it of any benefit to the cell? Yes, of course. ये सेल को quick transmission of impulse में help करता है. So ये जो axon है इनका function क्या है? To take away the information from the cyton. And where are they heading? ये information लेके जाते हैं ये synaptic knobs में. Knobs में है क्या? These are bulb-like structures. And you know what are they filled up with? They are filled up with certain chemicals जिन्हें कहा जाता है neurotransmitters. In case of neuron, neurotransmitter अगर नहीं होगा, then they'll not be able to pass the information to the next neuron.